Hey, what is up? It is your girl Sierra, the work from home diva, and I am back with another work from home video. I hope you guys really enjoy these types of videos. It does take a lot of times to research some of these different career options for you, so I hope you guys do enjoy it. If you do, please make sure you guys go ahead and leave a like on this video. I would definitely appreciate it. So in this video, it's a little bit different. I am talking about the 3 remote companies that are always hiring. And these companies are actually hiring worldwide. And so the great thing about it is, even if you're not in the United States, you can go ahead and go on these websites throughout the year and you can apply for these work from home jobs, which I know is something that a lot of you guys want to hear. I get comments sometimes asking for this type of content, so I am definitely going to deliver. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So coming in at number 3 is a company called Belay. Belay Solutions is a company that hires for work from home virtual assistants. If you're in sales, social media moderators, different things like that. The great thing is you do not have to talk on the phone. So this is a no phone remote job, and they are always hiring throughout the entire year. So they have contractor positions, which means that you would have to have a 1099. With 1099, that basically just means they cannot control the number of hours that you work. They do not have a set schedule for you, and you do have to file your own taxes based on the 1099 status at the end of the year. So they have available positions in bookkeeping, social media manager, virtual executive assistant, website specialist. So those are the 4. And anytime you're ready to apply, you would just click on learn more, depending on which position you are interested in. It's going to take you to this page, and this is for the social media manager. The great thing about it, it's paying $30 per hour. So you would want to just go ahead and watch their job description video. Make sure that this is something that's a fit for you, and then you would go ahead and you would apply for this job. And it would be the same situation with all of the other positions that they have available as well. You would just go in, you would apply for the job, and then you just move through the interview process until you get the job. So make sure you do go ahead and save this, put this in your back pocket, because once again, they're hiring all year round. Coming in at number 4 is Concentrix. So you guys may be familiar with Concentrix. The great thing is, like I talked about at the beginning of the video, they hire worldwide. So North America, Latin America, EMEA, Asia Pacific. So if your country is on the screen right now, you are definitely able to apply for the open positions that they have with Concentrix. Okay, so a lot of times with Concentrix, they are provided with different jobs from different companies that will have you come in and pretty much be the middleman in the job, whether it's customer service, chat, data entry, different things like that. So I'm going to just go ahead real quick while I'm here and just click on United States and see if they have anything hiring, or if there's anything available, or if they even are hiring right now. Let's click on search jobs. And let's see. Okay, so I think I still need to I will still put United States right there, and there are 80 positions that are available. And as you can see on that very first position, work at home healthcare customer service advisor. So you could definitely go ahead and apply. If you were in here taking a look at it right now, you could go ahead and apply for this position. It is starting out at $15 per hour. And then they do have paid training, 401k, medical, dental, vision, insurance, employee assistance. So you could definitely go ahead and apply for this job if you were already in there. And if you look on the right-hand side, you see there are similar jobs. So there's different ones that are hiring too. And you could also go to those jobs from the side panel, or you could just go back to the search. See, German customer service, Dutch customer service, Swedish customer service. And if you're looking for more of a non-phone work from home job, please don't forget I do have an ebook down at the bottom in the description box with 300 plus non-phone jobs. You could definitely go ahead and grab that as well if you don't like talking on the phone. Coming in at number 1 is Mod Squad. So Mod Squad is a company that has a 96% employee satisfaction rating. And of course, that is something we all want to hear, right? Nobody wants to work for a company that has a bad rating. You want the employees to be excited about coming to work, to be excited about the benefits, to enjoy the management team and things like that. So with Mod Squad, it says that they are data driven, they customize every service, they keep you future proof, and they built the team around the person's brand. And so, like I said, they do hire for different places. You do not have to be in the United States to apply for the Mod Squad. I do see them on Indeed all the time. I see them on a lot of the different career websites. So what types of jobs do they offer? Content moderation, customer service, trust and safety, community management, social media, Cubeless security. So those are the 5 different roles that you would be able to apply for. So let's just go ahead and click on customer support and see if they have anything available while we are doing this video. Okay. So it doesn't look like they have any openings in customer support as of right now. But the great thing is you want to keep this in your back pocket and you want to go back in maybe in a week or so and just check and see if Mod Squad is hiring, because like I said, this is definitely one of those companies that are hiring remote all year round. All right, so those were the 3 work from home jobs that are hiring all year round. I will go ahead and leave a link to the career section for each one of these websites below, so you can always go back, take a look at them, and just save the video for later and see if they're hiring, if they're not hiring right now. And once again, I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. I did film this on a Friday, so I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I hope that you guys have luck when it comes to finding these work from home jobs. If you guys do land any of these jobs, please make sure to leave a comment below and let me know if you have an interview, if you applied, where you are in your job process, because I love to hear things like this. After all, I do these videos for you guys. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.